Hi, welcome to ToolSpecs. So you have a Toyota RAV4 from 2013 to 2018 and you're having some issue with the tailgate not closing at the back. When you press the button, either on the tailgate or with your remote, well, I'm going to teach you exactly what's going on here and why this is happening. So your tailgate's coming down, it reaches around here and it reopens a little bit. And it stops about here and reopen. Well, this is actually, there's a sensor into this gasket at the side, and what's happening, it's probably pulled out a little bit and hitting the corner of your headlight. So as soon as you touch it, it reopens. And I'll show you this for a second. We'll reopen it a little bit. Okay, now I'm gonna try to close it again. As soon as I touch this, it goes back up a little bit, and this is for so you don't crush something with your tailgate that would be too big for your trunk by accident, or some kid would have his hand on the side there. So what's going on, it's either pushed out like this and you need to push the rubber back in like that, or like mine here, it's ripped a little bit. So all you have to do to fix that is to use just a little touch of weather strip adhesive and here to close it back up and your problem's fixed. And voila, it closes every time now. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.